Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to open email links in Google Chrome from Outlook. This is particularly useful if you prefer Chrome as your primary browser and want all your email links to automatically open there instead of your system's default browser. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account so all your emails can load properly. This initial step ensures you have access to your inbox and are ready to manage your email settings effectively. Now, here's where we make the crucial change. We need to adjust your Windows default app settings to redirect email links to Chrome. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and start typing Apps and Features in the search bar. This will bring up the Apps and Features window, which is your control center for managing application defaults and preferences on your computer. Once the Apps and Features window appears, look over to the left side panel. You'll see several options listed there, and what you're looking for is Default Apps. Click on it to proceed. This section is where Windows allows you to control which applications handle specific types of files and links, giving you complete control over your browsing and communication experience. In the Default Apps section, you'll find a list of different categories. Scroll through until you locate the email option. By default, this is usually set to Outlook, which explains why email links have been opening in Microsoft's ecosystem. Go ahead and click on the email option. When you click it, a list of available apps will appear. This list shows all the programs on your computer that are capable of handling email links. For our purposes today, you'll want to select Google Chrome from this list. Simply click on Chrome to set it as your default handler for email links. And that's it. From now on, whenever you click on an email link in Outlook or anywhere else on your system, it will automatically open in Google Chrome rather than your previous default browser. This small adjustment can significantly streamline your workflow, especially if you rely heavily on Chrome's features and extensions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.